Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online. This is fast and easy, a perfect side hustle for everyone. It also pays with PayPal and available worldwide. You can start making money right away with this free website that I'm about to explain to you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. You'll also discover how to increase your productivity and potentially earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end to help you earn passive income. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. Before I show you these websites, let me state clearly that they will not make you wealthy in any way, shape, or form. They're a great way to make money quickly and with a little effort, but if you're looking for a long-term solution, stay tuned. I'll be releasing videos shortly with ideas that will provide you with income for a much larger period of time, with one important condition. The first of the 4 websites I'll show you today is one of the oldest, most durable, and arguably one of the best make money online websites around. TreasureTrooper.com is the name. And the first thing you'll notice about this is how old-fashioned it seems. This isn't a coincidence because as you can see at the bottom of the page, this site has been around since 2005. As a result, it's one of the most established online money-making platforms. It is almost probably authentic because of this, otherwise it would have perished long ago. As you can see on the left, the members of this website have made around $8 million. If you'd like to see the payment proof, just click the link below. For those who are interested, this site is available in a variety of locations throughout the world. As I promised, therefore it is most likely available globally. To earn money, do as much as you can on this site. It encompasses a wide range of options that can be split into 3 categories: filling out forms, purchasing samples, doing searches, and completing tasks are all options for surveys and games. Even if you don't like them, you can pick and choose from a few to see which ones you prefer. As stated below, the site pays highly for completing them. Take 8 daily paid surveys worth up to $1 per visit. Our unique survey panel offers dozens of additional paid survey options, so you'll get paid $1 per survey, which isn't much, but it's a lot more than other websites, which is the most important factor for us. Games are also a good option, and they can be extremely entertaining. If you don't have a lot of time, you might try referring some people here to earn some passive income. But I would recommend other sites in general because make money online sites don't pay well, and I don't think they're worth the trouble. To begin, you'll need to create an account, which you can do here. I'm not going to go over it since I know you'll be able to figure it out on your own. The second website we'll explore at today is Surveya.com, which, as you may have figured by now, pays you to complete various types of surveys, as their homepage states. It also shows that it is accessible all across the world, which is really important to us. More details are available below, which I'll get to in a minute. As you can see, we pay for paid surveys in euros, which may subsequently be converted to PayPal or Amazon gift cards. We value your opinion, and we reward you for voicing it out right here. As you can see, there are various ways to make money than taking surveys. They have some unique features as well. Learn how to make money online or save time while maintaining your existing way of life. You're in for a lot of more interesting news, innovative solutions, and entertaining videos. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. So it's not only a paid survey site, they also provide tips on how to make money online and other useful information. You can see how you'll be paid here, and it'll most likely be by PayPal. This webpage contains both the case and alternate options. If you're not a big fan of PayPal and want to see all of the different ways you can get paid, just click on Discover All Awards below. First and foremost, this website is available in 3 countries across the world. So we're talking about an almost universally accessible site that works regardless of your region, as I promised. You can join from 5 continents. The site is available in 4 languages. Your user profile and surveys are in the language of your home country. And if that wasn't enough, this site will display surveys in the language of the country you are visiting. It doesn't matter if you're not from the United States or elsewhere, if English isn't your first language, or if you just don't comprehend it. This is a fantastic function that I don't believe many websites offer. Plus, it has over 2 million registered users, so it's extremely popular. To the right, we can see that over 1 million euros have been redeemed so far, with PayPal, Amazon, Zalando, Decathlon, Skrill, and Payza as payment methods, proving that this service is not only available globally, but also offers a variety of payment options. Simply return to this page and click the Sign Up for Surveya Right Now link. Enter your information and you're ready to move on to the third site on my list today. PrizeRebel.com is the website, and as we can see right here, you can sign up in just 10 seconds and start making money online right now by completing numerous surveys. PayPal, Amazon, Visa, Steam, and eBay all provide cash or gift cards as payment options. As you can see below, they have hundreds of brand name gift cards, direct bank payments, PayPal, and Visa gift cards to choose from. This is great since they have an option. If you'd rather be paid in cash, that's okay as well. You can also get a gift card instead, with Google Play, Amazon, Roblox gift cards being the most popular choices. More information about how this works is available just beneath the link they're looking for. People who want to take surveys get points, which they may later exchange for cash. Now, on the site, a truly unique and fantastic aspect is that some people have received extremely nice products for free. Obviously, getting them won't be easy, but there's a chance they'll be fantastic addition to our site. The last thing we note on their website is that they're listed on Trustpilot, Survey Police, Jabber, and Insider in my opinion. Overall, it's a terrific website that can be accessed from any location on the globe. Fill out the form below and click Start Making Money to get started. Or sign up with Facebook with just one click. If you want to do so, I'll leave it up to you. The final site on my list is the one that I highlighted in a previous video. But in case you miss it, it's called surveytime.io. And it's yet another great site for getting paid to complete surveys, as you can see on Trustpilot. It has some of the best reviews, and I recommend combining it with the other 3 sites I showed you to maximize your earnings. Anyway, I'm not going to go into great depth about this website because I've already discussed it. And that wraps it up. That is exactly how to make money online. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.